Amazon has such amazing kitchenware and household products, and amazing useful gadgets. If you want to buy them, there is a line-to-line link of all the products in the box. You can go there and order them. And this is the Shock-in Cup mobile bracket. This is the mobile bracket of Shock-in Cup, which will stick easily on the dashboard of your car, and you can put your phone in it, and also rotate it. You can do it in any way. To see maps etc. or movies etc. This is a silicone dropper with measure. You will find these very good. These are glass bottles in which you can not only take out your oil, but you can also drop it. After that you can measure it as much as you want. It is very easy to apply oil in it for making roti or parantha. You can apply it in any cup and parantha also, and this is a filler for the gap under your door. It is very good. It is made of silicone. You can put it behind your door. If you want to put it in front, put it in front. No dirt, mosquitoes, insects can come in. This is a folding stool. If you are waiting for a bus, taxi or auto, you can wait sitting in it after unfolding it, and it is so good that it is foldable that you can carry it in your purse or any bag. You can even carry it by holding it. This cloth line hanger dryer is made of silicone. It is also quite portable. There are many clips given in it which you can hang on your roof, and you can dry your clothes in it. And you will get these silicone baking trays, which are non-stick. You do not need to use paper, or any other page. You can use only non-stick ones. Your food will not get dirty and your food will be completely safe and very clean. You will get a squeezer for toothpaste here. If you want to remove even a little toothpaste, then this squeezer will give it to you without any effort. You just have to fit it in it, and after switching it on, you can automatically remove toothpaste as much as you want. This is a silicone bath body breast. Just put liquid in this breast, then see its magic. It cleans every part of your body very well, and this is an electric spice blender. In this you can blend spices, blend them. You can also blend coffee, or if you want to make juice etc., then you can blend that too in this. This is a 2-in-1 machine, which is going to be very useful in your kitchen.